Hello again, everyone. I need to make a good luck card today. My daughter's partner has his son has got a scholarship to university just south of Chicago to do a degree, and it's something to do with soccer. I think it's a soccer scholarship or something. So my good luck card consisted of, or will consist of, a map of the shape of the US using a US flag, part of it, to illustrate it, and a pair of soccer boots, football boots. So what I thought I would do is this. I've printed this out. This is an image from Penguin, which is free. They're rather tricky to download if you haven't done it before. I do have a video showing the process because it's very confusing. The fact that these are free is great, but they are free because the whole site is littered with advertisements, and it's so easy to click on those thinking you're clicking on your download and you're not. You're downloading something completely different. So my idea is this. I want to cut that out with a little square like this, and I've just cut this in black as a silhouette, and I thought I would hang these boots round about Chicago, about there, like that. I've got a good luck stamp here. This is from my negative stamps, which will be released, I think, tomorrow. And don't forget the discount code if you're in the ordering from the UK site, which is CAS, my initials, CAS 5, and you'll get 5% off. And I thought I would just put a good luck like that, maybe stamped in red. I may try a red or blue or whatever to see what I like the look of. So I thought that was kind of, appropriate. A pair of football boots indicating, well, it's just south of Chicago he's going to. And then I would cut that out. This will be for the main panel of the card, and I may do another layer as well. I don't know. So what I'm going to do is cut out these two squares. I've got my card base there. So I think the position of that is about right for the football boots dangling. Pretty much, isn't it, really? So let's just pop that on there. Are we straight? Put some on this side as well. And then this one, I don't really need any tape on that. So I'm just going to go over to my switch to cut this out, because obviously my Platinum 6 won't take a piece of card this size, which is British A4. So I'll just go and cut this out and I'll be right back. So I cut out my panel, I cut out this particular panel, and looking at it again with black silhouetted boots, I thought it just looked a bit off. So what I did, I cut another pair from some dark blue card. This blue was a little bit lighter than the blue printed from the flag, so I just got a marker. The nearest one I could find, I think it was this one, and darkened them just a tad. So that's where we got up to. Then I thought to myself, how about my good luck that I mentioned earlier? And I thought blue. So I stamped it in blue, and it looked like this. And having done this red here, I thought it might look better with red. So I'm going to cut them out, and I'll have a really good look and see what I think. And then what I think I might do actually is stick this blue one here on top of the black one, just to make it a little bit more definitive. They'll stick out just a bit more. So I'll do that, cut this out, and then I think it's a bit of assemblage, as it were. So I think it's tomorrow. Watch out, folks. Coming out tomorrow. Let's try cutting these. I'll cut both and then see which we think. But at the minute, I'm thinking red. I started off thinking blue, and decided I would change my mind. The ink I have used, I don't know if you can see here, It's just very, 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 very old. Stampin' Up. It seems to go on forever. I haven't bought any for quite some years. I have a friend that I haven't seen for quite a while, actually. We ran a blog together, and she used to be a Stampin' Up demonstrator until her wedding business kind of took over. But I haven't bought anything since she stopped being a demonstrator. My lovely friend Mandy. Okay, let's just take a look and see what we think. There's the blue. I'll just do the one for the minute, just to get the idea. I think I need something to tie this in. I could put both on. Yeah, I think it's got to be the red. I need something to link that in with this. We've got 2 bits of blue, 2 bits of red in here now, and I think that kind of works rather better. So I'm going to start putting it together. So first of all, I'm going to just join these 2 things to each other. Pop a bit of glue on here. To be honest, I thought these looked a bit incongruous in black, because these days soccer boots, football boots, seem to be, you know, every neon colour under the sun. Orange and yellow and pink and goodness knows what. Very trendy looking things. There we are. I'll put the glue on this now because I've got to hang it on Chicago, or just slightly south of Chicago, but close enough. makes me smile. When we were younger, doing geography at school, someone said, Chicago is at the bottom of Lake Michigan. And the teacher was a bit, oh really? It's a very wet city, is it? The south of Lake Michigan. The bottom of Lake, I always think about it, silly. Well, years ago when I was first teaching, I had an American student came over into my class from Chicago for a while. Right, hang it there. Okay. Now this one is going to go onto foam tape. I didn't say last night, came home from the theatre, and it took me 2 hours to do a journey that should take half an hour. There was a road, the motorway was closed, diversions were in place, there were traffic lights. The sat-nav then, when I finally decided to put it on, decided to send me the way that another road was closed, so we got home about 20 past midnight. Absolute nightmare. Good luck. I want that to go in that slight indent there of the boot. Okay. This one's got a whisker. There we are. This is just the next size up die from my press cut set. I thought I'd just use this glue while I'm at it. I do tend to use my tape runner, but this was in my hand, so we will use it. That's quite cool. I think that can go on to foam. I'll put skinny foam tape on that. Do I need that panel? I don't think I do. I don't think I do. I think this is sufficient. I'll put foam tape on this. The skinny stuff. That's not the skinny stuff. This is the skinny stuff. Right, here it is. Get this in the post today. If I'd have thought about it, Phil could have thought about it previously. Phil could have taken it. He's gone to pick up Sebby today, and he could have taken it to Bath with him, but never mind. I have to take Sebby back so I can take it then, perhaps. Well, there we are. This was really quick to do, but I think it's kind of worth thinking about what the purpose of the card is and try and fulfill that in some way. So for me, my first thought was, you know, he's going to America. Let me use an image to indicate the US. So I just went to the website and just, you know, scrolled through looking for stuff. And I decided on that, and it was a bit of an afterthought to think, well, of course he's going on a soccer scholarship. I should have some soccer boots somewhere. And that's how it went on. And I knew I had a good luck in the new set. So, hope you enjoyed it. I hope you'll give a like, a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, do please. I would love to have you see lots more of my videos. So, come back and see me very soon.